The only thing you should ever use to seal gaskets and threaded connections on an air conditioning or refrigeration system is oil. Nylog is viscoelastic refrigeration oil. Nylog has a distinctive sticky, tacky consistency. Nylog is both a lubricant and a sealant. Cleanup is easy. Just wipe off. Two different versions are available. The red label Nylog is based on mineral oil and is used on systems containing mineral or alkyl benzene oil. These are typically systems using a CFC or HCFC refrigerant. The blue label Nylog is based on polyol ester oil, POE, and used on systems that contain HFC refrigerants or refrigerant blends. Nylog is easy to apply. Twist open and start a bead of fluid. Wind the fluid around the fitting like liquid string. It will thin out and break, or just scratch the tip to break the fluid tension. Make sure the face of the flare is coated. Since Nylog is refrigeration oil, it is fully miscible and 100% compatible with all refrigeration system fluids. Any Nylog that may get into the system will not clog, restrict, or turn into a system contaminant. It is good practice to lubricate the back of the flare with a small drop of Nylog. This will prevent the copper tube from binding when the fitting is fully torqued. Nylog will never harden or dry, ideal for sealing gaskets. The gasket material will soak up the Nylog and never become heat-fixed or turn brittle. Gaskets treated with Nylog can easily be removed many years later. Often the gasket will peel off in one piece and will not require sanding, scraping, or wire brushing. Make sure you treat both sides of the gasket. O-rings coated with Nylog will never leak even when assembled under low torque. Nylog is compatible with all rubber and gasket materials. No excessive swelling or shrinkage will occur. Remember, Nylog is both a lubricant and sealant that will never harden or dry. Schrader valves can be prevented from leaking and remain lubricated for the life of the system. Nylog is your answer to preventing high-pressure leakage on air conditioning or refrigeration gaskets and threaded connections. Nylog is a non-contaminating sealant that is fully miscible and 100% compatible with all system fluids. Use it in high or ultra-low temperature equipment, or use it as an assembly lube. Nylog can be used to lubricate many internal system parts such as king valves, ball valves, shaft seals, or cylinder unloaders. Since Nylog is oil, we do not recommend Nylog to be used on water or gas appliances. Nylog is NSF approved for use in food processing areas. Discover Nylog and never be without it again.